Let there is a acceleration time. Let this is acceleration and this is time. This is acceleration, this is time. Let this is the curve. And this is the second part. Vf minus V initial. Let this is time interval T1, final time. Shaded area is equal to how much? Vf minus Vi. The change in velocity. Change in velocity. That means students, right? The area under, right? The area under the acceleration time graph. Area under acceleration time graph. Area under acceleration time graph between Ti and Tf, between time initial and time final, is given by Ti and Tf, given by students area that is equal to Vf minus Vi, that is change in velocity. In that case, we will find. It's let in the same way the drawing another acceleration time velocity time graph. But I want to find the velocity time graph. This is velocity and this is time. Let this is the line. And from this to this, what is the displacement? Let I want to find. So what I have to do? Let this time is Ti initial and let this time is T final. And this is the shaded part of the area. And here the area under velocity time graph, right? The area under velocity time graph. Area under velocity time graph. Area under velocity time graph between T initial time graph between T initial and T final, right? T initial and T final gives displacement, gives displacement. Velocity into time, area means into velocity into time gives displacement. That is Tf minus Ti. Sorry, displacement is how much, right? Change in displacement, that is xf minus xf. Final displacement minus initial displacement. That is displacement final xf minus xi. Final displacement minus initial displacement. That this was the final displacement and this is the initial displacement. This is x final minus x initial between the two instants. Between the two instants. Okay. But in the same way, that I want to find out, we're having another, that means here shaded area. Shaded area is equal to displacement in time. Shaded area is equal to displacement in time T final minus T initial. T final minus T initial. Similarly, student, if I will take speed time, what I'll get? Distance. I'll get distance. Let I am taking speed time graph here. That there is a speed here in y-axis speed, and here in x-axis that is time. I want to find from this interval to this interval. That means time is, here time is T initial, here time is T final. Student, here area under speed time graph between Ti and Tf gives the distance covered by the particle. distance covered by the particle. So here student, ये जो shaded area है, this shaded area gives me distance covered in time, TF minus T initial. Distance covered in time, TF minus T initial. Train travels in 3 minutes. And train travels in 3 minutes. 3 minutes कितने सेकंड रे? 3 minutes. A distance of in 3 minutes a distance of 3.15 kilometer. Distance of 3.15 kilometer from rest. At one station to the other station. At one station to the other station. Rest to start la, rest end la. From rest to rest. Okay. It is uniformly accelerated, right? It is uniformly accelerated. It is uniformly accelerated. It is uniformly accelerated for the first 30 seconds. It is uniformly accelerated for the first 30 seconds. And uniformly retarded for the last 15 seconds. And uniformly retarded. And uniformly retarded for the last 15 seconds. Uniformly retarded for the last 15 seconds. The speed being constant. The speed being constant. Speed being constant. For the remaining time. The speed being constant for the remaining time. Speed being constant for the remaining time. Find the maximum velocity. Find the maximum velocity. Find the maximum velocity. Acceleration. Find the maximum velocity, acceleration, and retardation. And retardation. क्वेश्चन बुझ पारल ट्रेन 3 मिनिट रे केते बडे जाउछ रे पिले 3.15 किलोमीटर कोठू फ्रॉम रेस्ट ओके ना एट वन स्टेशन टू द अदर स्टेशन गोटे स्टेशन नो आउट स्टेशन को जाउछ यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सीलरेट करछ केते समय पई फास्ट 30 सेकंड देखो पिले 0 नु स्टार्ट लाइट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 0 यूनिफॉर्मली एक्सीलरेटेड ला एस 30 सेकंड पई एटी पहुंचला तापर लास्ट 15 सेकंड रे डी एक्सीलरेट हेकी पुनी रेस्ट रे पहुंचुची बाकी जो 30 टू 165 सेकंड कोन हेची कांस्टेंट स्पीड रे जाईची बुझ परलो speed being constant for the remaining time they question from find the maximum velocity. That means we have to find the velocity here. What is the maximum velocity and what is the acceleration and what is the retardation. And what is the area under this graph? Area under speed type will give me what, students? Distance, what?
Distance.
And it is a
Distance.
and it is a trapezium, students. Is it trapezium? So area under trapezium will
Yes,
be how
sir.
much? Area under trapezium is how much? Half into sum of
Parallel
parallel
side.
sides. Sum of parallel means
Parallel.
OC plus AB. Sum of parallel sides means OC. If OC is parallel to, this is C. OC is parallel to AB, so OC plus AB into height. Height is how much, students? Let this is speed, this height, this is the height now. And this value of height is how much? Speed na V. Yes or no? So half into sum of parallel sides into V is equal to total distance कितने मिले 3.15 किलोमीटर जे कितने मीटर 3.15 into 1000 multiply कर लगे तो 3150 मीटर understood friends area under this curve this is a trapezium na so that means half OC plus AB into V half OC plus AB into V half OC plus AB into V so that is 3150 so if I want to find here V how would I find V half into OC is how much students O to C is 180 plus A to B is how much 30 this is 165 this to this is how much 165 minus 30 how much 135
135
into V is equal to 3150 so multiply 2 3150 में 2 multiply करो and by solving this you will get V how much
that
V will be how
equal
much
to
students 3150 into T into 2 divided by 180 plus 135 so that is how much 20 meter per second so we got the body जो रेस्ट पे शुरू किया था यहाँ से बॉडी रेस्ट से शुरू किया था अभी ए पॉइंट पहुंचने तक उसकी वेलोसिटी हो जाएगा 20 मीटर पर सेकंड अंडरस्टूड so I want to find acceleration then here how to find acceleration in the velocity time graph so slope of this line acceleration in the first
Yes.
part that is slope of OA it will give me acceleration yes or no
Yes, sir.
students write slope of OA that is equal to acceleration in the first part that is 0 to 30 seconds that is how much slope means y by x y kitna v kitna 20 yes or no v is 20 na acceleration is slope is equal to velocity by time na velocity kitna hai what is this total is 20 na we got velocity 20 this point is 20 time kitna 30 so 20 by 30 I will take 20 second by 30 second that is how much 2 by 3 so acceleration is equal to how much 0.667 meter per second square understood next student retardation means this line we have to find slope of BC for retardation we have to find slope of BC so that is equal to student slope of BC that is equal to acceleration in second part that is decreasing that's why it is retardation so slope of BC minus V by T so V kitna students by 20 minus 20 by T is how much 15 so 20 by 15 that is solve करेंगे तो कितना होगा that is minus negative 1.334 meter per second square this is the retardation so you got the retardation you got the acceleration you got the speed this is the answer to the required question